Hello again, everyone. So in this lesson, we'll talk about the class structure. In fact, when we look at JavaScript after ES5 and ES6, it offers us, well, quite a great object-oriented logic, like in Java or C#. So this structure has become even stronger with TypeScript. So I'll start briefly with what class is, and then I'll show you how to use it. Class is actually a structure that we can call object. Class can be briefly summarized as follows. But I'll give you an example. So if we're talking about a car, we can talk about features, right? Such as a brand, a color, your manufacturer, model of the car, whatever. But also with this car, we can go from place to place and gain in functionality. So in other words, classes are structures that contain both features and functionality. In fact, one of the best features that the class structure will bring to us is the ability to make regular software. And it makes sustainable software as well, because when we use the class structure, when there's a feature that we want to change, just by making changes in one place, we can affect this feature wherever we use it. So yeah, we can, let's start writing now. Now to use this structure, we'll use the class keyword and then write the name. And class names always start with a capital letter. Got to be careful about that. Now let's prepare, so this example that I just mentioned, so the class name is, and I define properties in curly brackets, such as brand, model, color, year of manufacture. So now we've written properties, so we can assign properties using constructor. So I'll write constructors and write properties that it can take as parameters. And I'm saying this. I'm assigning these properties. All right, cool. So we have now defined properties and constructors in the class. Now let's add a method here that prints the production year of the console car. So as you can see, we can use this feature in this method. So why don't we now create a new object from this class? So we use the new keyword for this. So look, when I write the class name here, it already shows the values. So this object that we created has all the features and methods in this class. All right, so let's write the features in order here. And look, when I want to print this object to the console log, and look, when I want to print this object in the console log, after the name of the object, I'm putting a dot. And now we can see all the properties and methods in the class. So I can access the features of this class wherever I want by creating a new object. And we can define a second object for a different car here. And here we'll use different parameters. And when we print the second object console log, it will print these properties. So we create a single class, and by creating many objects from this class, we can use the same properties with different values. So if we want to add or delete one more of the features here, one or more, I meant to say, all we need to do is make changes within the class. All right, so that makes quick work. It's also very easy, way more organized, because we don't have to make changes in every single object. All right, so that's the class logic. I hope you got a good idea of how to use it. So I want to see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.